That boy's cold, bro. Colder than all of them. Come on. Bump. We got a little like level. We got a little ladder going. Look like steps. A waterfall going down. Come up here. And we got a little reservoir. A little shelter. And it's overgrown. It's freaking overgrown. I ain't getting in that for y'all. I'm not getting into it.
That's supposed to be it?
It goes all the way to this side. It just goes on and on and on. Now we at Juan Diego Creek. Where the water at, man? Where the agua? ¿Dónde está el agua? ¿Dónde está el agua? Dang, how you say waterfall? Fuente?
Somebody made these steps for nature.
How you say fall? Yeah. Agua calle. Calle agua. He's there going. Rock steep, boo. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we made it. Excuse me.
Sorry.
I think we found it. Let's see what that boy talking about. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. But still pretty cool. We go all the way up. So we in the jungle. We over. I'm trying to get this view for y'all from that upper waterfall, and look at the terrain I'm going to get this for y'all. But it's gonna be worth it. Gotta push. I can smell it. I can feel it coming in the air. Tonight. Surprised I ain't seen no toucans or snakes or nothing. That's the same one it was at.
Nah, they down there.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh, that kind of scared me. Oh yeah. We did it. We're here. What's that there? There. Oh, come on, go. Oh, you can take it.
I'll take it.
That boy's cold, bro. Colder than all of them. Look at this man. Tarzan, bruh. Tarzan, bruh. Tarzan, bruh. That man almost got knocked out by the rain. He almost got knocked out by the rain.
It's so cold you can't paint. It's just cold and it's hitting you over and over.
Some blood came over here and carved this joint. Thought I'd make share.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Right. Pretty dope. That's the other side. I don't know what they're trying to tell me. They're talking in daggone tree language. Come on, get in. It's our turn. It's your turn. Oh. Come on. You got it. Huh? I need closer. Oh, no, you good. Come on. Too cold. Too cold. Good for 7 squad. And Daniel. You go. She basically said, she telling 7 squad, she basically don't love them. No, like I was like, if you don't get in, I mean you don't love 7 squad. Do the count off. Do the eyes. This dude's slow, bro. This dude is slow. Dang it, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy. Good job. She actually do love y'all, bro. They're not even thinking. I ain't think she loved y'all, Jack.
Somebody gotta get it,
No, that's what he said. Somebody gotta get this, Try to get into the tower, but they just closed it. So here's the outside view, which I would have seen from all the way up top. We're in the city this time. Looking at the view, soaking it in before we get up out of here. They got the marshes right here. They shopping it up in there, and I think we're gonna get another ham, cheese, and egg sandwich from over at this little spot. It's like town square. And like I told y'all before, the birds do not flinch, bro. They don't budge. Gang is here. Bird gang, bird gang, bird gang, bird gang, bird gang. Damn, it's really bird gang. It's really bird gang. Yeah. Look at that. Birds for life. Birds for life. Yeah, did the thing.
Man, I walked down that drone was flying like eye level, like outside my door. I didn't know what the hell.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it up. Hold it up, Dad. Your hand.
For your eye, boy.
Now that thing, now you can't get it off. That bad boy stuck like Chuck. It's cooked.